I love PDF.ai, and our experience with the product has only improved as we've understood how this amazing tool works. PDF documents are part of most professionals' daily lives, and from invoices to training documents and much, much more, PDFs are not going anywhere. And the good news is that using a chat with your PDF tool like PDF.ai can make your work experience much less tedious and draining. If you try it out, you'll be sure to notice within minutes how great your experience is, and over 1 million happy users can support this affirmation. With PDF.ai, you can gather information, summarize it, and enhance your productivity in a way you won't understand until you try it. But do you know what's even better? You can use PDF.ai's advanced features and hacks, which I will show you below, to make your improved experience lightning fast. So first and foremost, one of the best tips that we have for you is you can actually start a chat with your PDF directly from your browser's navigation bar. The PDF.ai team is always working to make your experience better. Now you don't even need to have PDF.ai's website open in order for it to work. So for example, there is this PDF here on how to write a research paper. And if you go to the beginning of it and just type PDF.ai and then a slash, press enter, it adds this PDF to your account in PDF.ai, and you can interact with it immediately. That's a really great, quick and easy trick. Tip number 2 is if you have the Chrome extension installed with a PDF on something that's hosted on something like a Google Drive or something to that effect. If I go to my Google Drive, you'll notice here that I can click on this, and the extension will allow me, after I press confirm, you can see I'm signed in here. You'll see that inside my account, there is already this PDF within here. So quick and easy to do. Definitely recommend you trying this out as well. This works with things like Google Drive, Dropbox, and other products similar to that. It also gives you a little bit of a chatbot that you can interact with on the side. That's really great to use too. And what those responses that you put in there actually pop up inside of this section here. If you want to check that out, we have an entire other video on the Google Drive integration, which I recommend that you go check out. Another amazing feature is that you can actually start a chat with a specific portion of your PDF by taking a screenshot. So in this PDF that I have, there's a lot of different images that are in here. And I can actually just use this functionality to grab and press escape. And then from there, you'll notice that this image pops up on the side here, and you can ask a question like, what is this image showing? And it gives you a response based on the image. And as you'll see here, it says the image shows a cluttered and disorganized room. This is true. This is not my room. Do not worry about that. Likely an office or storage space. It then showcases that there are shelves filled with binders, books, and various items. Yeah, that was a pretty good interpretation of the image. So we really appreciate this option, because sometimes visual learners just want to know, what the heck am I looking at? Another great feature is that you can actually save prompts. So for example, just with that one, if I click on the plus icon, it adds this prompt to the prompt library, which you can easily use right here. If you click on this right here, you'll see that there's a bunch of different options for the prompt library, that being a few previous ones I have, and I can change them by clicking on this, changing it, resaving it, or deleting them. So for example, what are the 3 key points of this article? The article emphasizes prioritizing tasks based on color-coded categories. That's true. It highlights the importance of setting aside time for reflection and utilizing checklists. That's true. And it also suggests starting with tasks that interest you and maintaining a balance and managing time and tasks effectively. All true. I wrote this, so I would know. Another great tip is that if you go to any old website that has a URL related PDF, you can actually go to the bottom right here, press confirm. And as I mentioned previously, there is that chatbot functionality too, outside of that integration with Dropbox, Google Drive, etc. And I can just ask the question, what is this about? And it would tell me. Those 2 different great features, one for integrating with the different products that I talked about, and also this one where you can chat with these different articles very easily. And then from there, if I go back into my account, what just was uploaded right here is going to pop up in my account, as well as the question I asked and answer. What is this about? And then the summary of the document pops up too. And last but not least on the list, we have a lot of free tools that I would check out. So if you go here, we have this PDF tools section, and there is a resume checker. We've made a video on that. Scanner for resumes, as well as invoice scanner. A lot of different PDF products. If you're familiar with having to merge or split PDFs or change them to images, it's a bit of a hassle dealing with all those different options, and there's always some weird, sketchy online converters. So if you want to have a experience that you know is going to be devoid of bugs added to your computer, please try our different free products out within the platform. With that being said, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this top 6 tips for using PDF.ai. And with that being said, we'll see you in the next one.